Deep snow covered the Hawaii island
Of
summits
course,
of
you
Mauna
had to
Kea
go
and
way up high. You had to set your sights more than 13,700 feet up.
Just not every day an island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean gets a blanket of snow, but that's what this weekend storm gave us, snow.
So shout out to a Hawaiian style cafe. We just finished eating over here. What did we have?
Food.
Food? We had food. Now let's go look for snow. Do you see any snow? Honey? What do you see?
Clouds.
Only clouds?
Tiny, nothing.
Only both of you guys. You only see clouds? So we reached the observatory and we got to stay over here for at least an hour to acclimate to this, I guess, elevation. Currently we're at 9,000 or 10,000 feet. We just came from 80 feet, 120 feet above sea level. So, which took us about an hour to get here, and then on the look for the snow. Hey, bring it back. All right. So that's our little adventure for the snowy parts. I get a hard time breathing. It's like 14,000 feet and it's cold. Emma, what do you say? Focusing on me, that's right. My vlog, that's right, huh? My vlog. So we're gonna head back down the mountain because it's really, really hard to breathe. macaroni grill. What a day, guys. Going from a harmless breakfast to go 14,000 feet up in the air. Look for snow in Hawaii. Find snow in Hawaii. Go back down 14,000 feet just to have dinner. Come back 5,000 feet up. Go down 5,000 feet just to reach back home. It was a long freaking day. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more. I know I wanted to do some of those nighttime sky painting things with the drone. I think there's another episode. Don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there to get you. Wash your hands, be a nice human, and wear your mask. Aloha, everybody.